here is a statement for high winds. For the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Henry, Johnson, Madison, Marion, Morgan, Rush, Shelby, and Tipton. High wind watch in effect from Friday afternoon through Saturday afternoon. Southwest winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour possible. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, north central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from Friday afternoon through Saturday afternoon. The following impacts are expected. Damaging winds could blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel could be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Monitor the latest forecasts and warnings for updates on this situation. Fasten loose objects or shelter objects in a safe location prior to the onset of winds. And now a look at your forecast for Indiana.